Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie ang ating haul and review for today. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is my new collection for today from Fine to. Look at this. Oh wow, this is a lace lingerie panty. This is a bikini panty. Look at this. So this is my new collection for today from Fine to. This is medium size. So let's begin kung gaano kaganda ang kanyang quality. So let's see. Wow, nice. Very nice. This is a very good quality product. Look at this. Fine to. Wow. And also here, sa kanyang dugtungan po, wow, ang ganda. Nice talaga. And the crotch is so perfect. Tingnan mo naman yung crotch niya. Perfect. Meron siyang small amount of cotton o lining. Ang material po nito ay cotton po ito. Tingnan mo naman yung dugtungan. Napakaganda ng quality niya. Nice quality talaga, oh. Wow. At tingnan mo naman. Very, very elegant ang kanyang kulay, ang kanyang color. Look at this. This is a black lace lingerie bikini panty. And this is the back view. So, dito po, ang kanyang material ay cotton. At dito naman sa crotch ay very perfect dahil, ayan, may doble siya. So, safe na safe. Pati yung kanyang stretch, wow, ganda. Look at this. The side here, ganda. Napakaganda nung pagka-lace nito. Ganda, tsaka malambot. Madulas. Ganda ng ano. Yung stretch niya, oh, maganda pagka-stretch. This is a back view. So, the quality is so good, perfect. And also, the lace ay nice. Ganda po. Malambot at hindi siya makati. So, this is nice. Very nice po ang kanyang quality. So, the size is medium. So, pag-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, perfect 10. So, ito naman, doon sa mga may almo, pwede ito dahil ito ay hindi naman siya tong panty. Sa mga may almo, ang ano lang naman, ang masyadong komplikado doon sa tong panty. Pero pag ganitong style, it's okay. So, the quality is good. The style, so elegant. The color, perfect. Wow, na wow ka ng style. So, ito lang yung harap na cotton. Pero pagdating dito sa gilid, lace lahat. So this is so beautiful and elegant bikini panty. So that is for today for our sexy citro lace bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.